The year-long tire shine. Does it work? How long does it work? This is your review. It's been a year. If you haven't seen that video, it's down there in the description. I got a link right to it. Let's get to it. What is up, guys? Welcome back. Sorry the review took so long. I posted the video, not many people watched it, but now it's bounced up to 30-something thousand instantaneously, and now I've got 30-something thousand people asking me where the review is. So this is complex. There's a lot of reasons I like it, a lot of reasons I don't like it, and we'll see if I'd buy it again. Before I get to the link, there's a couple things I want to tell you guys. I made some notes. I've never had so many comments on a tire shine before. This tire shine is absolutely phenomenal. It's amazing. Your tires look fake. If you buy this and you don't watch my video on how to put it on, make sure you get some tire or rubber cleaner before you put it on. With this product, obviously it's going to matter where you live as to how it works. I live in Ohio and it's bad around here. So the product says it lasts a full year. I can tell you that right now, that's not true. It doesn't last a full year and it's not really even that close. But keep watching. So here's our shine line. Amazing, amazing product, just shining, looks absolutely perfect. 2 months. You get 2 months of that. Good. It looks good. It looks like a good looking car. 3 months in. Now it's still blacker than normal. It looks like a nice clean car, but it's not like dripping wet. It's not dripping wet. 4 months. And then gone. It's gone. You can't even tell it was on there. 5 to 6 months. Now, with that being said, it's still got so many pros that I think it's worth buying. But first, let's go over the cons. The cons. Number one, obviously, doesn't last a year as advertised. That's why you paid so much for it. Number two, if you don't reapply it, it gets splotchy. It doesn't rip off like flat parts against glossy parts. It's more like if you go to the side, you can tell some parts are glossier than others, but that's when you get down here into that 3 to 4 month range. And the last thing that I noted as obviously a con is the price, with the pair of the bottles costing you $95. The pros. Now we got some good ones here. This is why I told you to hang around. Number one, I'm telling you, it looks phenomenal. If you care about your car, it's not going to look any better with any other tire shine than it does with this stuff. They're not paying me. They don't pay me nothing. Number two, big one, UV protection. UV is one of the biggest destroyer of tires, and we'll get into that in a second here. Number three, it's very long black color. Even though you don't get this shine, this blacker stuff goes underneath that shine. It keeps your tire nice and black. Your car looks cleaner. That stays around all the way even past this 6 month range. You don't get those grayish brown tires. Number four, 3 months of gloss. Now I'm kind of crazy. I like cars. I've got some cars. Got an old Camaro. I got an import I showed all over the place. Hot import nights, 5 or 6 states and stuff. So I'm always putting gloss on. And if it lasts 3 months and it looks phenomenal, I'm down with that. I don't have to apply that often. Now when you go into this price and you think about if you're buying that stuff you spray on all the time and it lasts 1 or 2 rains, think how much that is per can versus this, which lasts months. Number 6, garage cars. For all you car guys that keep something in the garage you don't use a lot, this is gonna last you a year or longer for sure. Number 7, this is one of the biggest ones on here and it's not talked about on their end with their marketing. If you have a trailer or you have a spare tire like a Jeep that carries a spare tire in the back, you need this. That spare tire literally lasted about a year and it was glossy and beautiful and perfect. And then a trailer tire, they sit there and they bake in the sun and just bake. Here comes your UV protection, you're protecting your trailer. Another mega pro. I've got 2 trailers and it's on both of them. Last pro, and it's a super huge one too, is it's clean. When you watch the video, it dries. You can put your hands all over it. It's nothing on your hands, nothing at all. Now I have 35s on the Jeep and they're right there on the thighs of your pants when you're putting a baby in the back seat. If you accidentally touch your pants or you got your new pair of Dunks or Jordans on, you swipe your foot across a wet tire, guess what? You're done. Capiche. It's over. The question is, what's my overall rating for this stuff? My overall rating, and I'll tell you what it is, and it's going to make this product seem a whole lot better, and this is how they should market it. seasonal. It's a seasonal tire shine. I mean, you get it out at the beginning of the spring and you clean it the best you can. You put this stuff on there and it's just wet and crispy, rolling down the road, and you just got whoa, women are flying all over you. You got women hanging off of you. You don't know what to do. There's just women. It stays like that all spring. Then summer comes around, wash it off, reapply it right over it. Guess what? Women, you got women all over it. Woo! And the last question, would I buy it again? Would I buy this product again? $95. And the answer is yes. Yes, I'd buy it again because I'm a car guy and this stuff goes a long way. I've got 35s. It takes a lot of stuff. If you got a normal car, motorcycle, boat, trailer, whatever, it's gonna go far, it's gonna last long, you're gonna get your money worth out of it. Again, they're not paying me, so this is my opinion. Give it a try, I think you'll like it, especially you car guys. You're out there dumping all your money in your Scooby. If you got your Corvette out there and it's your baby, stop buying these cans and spraying this junk on your car and it looks good for that evening, maybe halfway through the weekend, it's gone. Forget about it. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't, check out the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours fun. Check the channel for more videos. There's all kinds of stuff on there. Remember, click that subscribe button. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.